So nice to be here and to be talking to you in the United States. Which city do you live again?
Hello. Yeah, it's always good to talk with you too. It have been a while. I live in Low, Indiana, so it's a very small town, but not too far from Chicago.
About an hour, right?
Yeah. 1 hour and a half with traffic and all the constructions that go all the time in the highways.
I know what I mean. I have been living uh, these past 2 years in Paraguay, developing the company here before here and in Argentina. So after this great success in Brazil we have had, uh,
hmm
it's really good to be here having this conversation about legal English with you, as we did
Yeah.
up the company together, which is amazing.
Yes.
So you have a few questions for me. So please feel free.
Yeah. So for those ones who doesn't understand much of the topic, how would you define legal English?
Well, legal English is a language within the language. It's within English. You need to learn English as a second language so you can have an international career. And then you go to English school and you might even live abroad, as I did, as you have been doing. And you are a professional in your home country. You speak a different language in your home country because you always talk about the law. And you
hmm
realize that with English, standard everyday English, you can't work. You need information about the American or the British or international legal systems. You need to gather this language and you need to speak this type of language. So legal English is like
hmm
of English specialized for legal practitioners, for lawyers, for judges, the way you speak about the law in your home country, but now in English.
hmm
Another thing that is
I see.
interesting about legal English is that you need to explain the aspects of the law in your country, but in English. For
hmm
that, you need to understand about all these legal systems, especially the American and the British, to try to find equivalent words you can use and sound naturally. That's about
I
it.
see. So you would say that English, it's very much different from any general or even academic English.
Well, academic English, although closer to legal English than everyday English, is not specialized in the law.
hmm
And then you need to understand what is a pleading, what is a court, the judicial
hmm
levels of government. You need to understand documents in court, persons in court, areas of the law. Those are things that we don't discuss while studying academic or business English. Business English,
hmm
times, especially when you're studying international contracts or corporate law, can get closer to legal English, but it's not the same. Many
hmm
people they speak about business, but they don't understand the regulations and they don't sound natural when they talk about it.
hmm I see. And that kind of answers a little bit of what I was going to ask you next. That is why law students or practitioners they need to learn this legal English. So you talked a little bit about it. Can you give some more examples of why it's so important to them to specialize with the legal English?
You know, if you master English as a second language, you're more than halfway through it. You certainly will have an opportunity in the international market. But when we go to law school in our home country, generally we stop caring about everything else. We just focus on our university and we graduate, then we start working. And I believe many people don't take the time and they don't give the attention that is needed to become fluent in English. Well, Thiago, then you could just go back to a regular English, traditional English school. Yeah, but that's not that interesting, isn't it? You are a lawyer.
Yeah. I don't think it would have the same spark anymore.
Yes, talking about the shopping center or racetracks, really.
Yes, yeah.
You want to talk about
Go grocery shopping or
no, you want to talk
writing an address.
about a case, an important case, a political issue, a business issue. So with legal English, you can do that. You can go back to English, become a better speaker, like in an advanced level or fluent level, and also learn legal English, which is what you do and what you need to career.
Okay. And what would you say that are some real world situations or like practical situations where mastering legal English can make a major difference?
We are getting closer, unfortunately, in my opinion, to a gig economy. Like the gig economy is when we do jobs, we don't necessarily have a job. And if you are skilled in legal English, you get more opportunities in the international market. You can work with the French, you can work with the English, you can work with people in Asia, in Latin America, as I am doing right now, or in the US, like you were doing right now. So you get better opportunities for your career as a professional, especially if you are a lawyer, because they can practice anywhere in the world. It's
okay. So you do think that legal English opens doors with globalization and opens and gives more opportunity for those who know in cross-border situations?
especially because we can't be there anymore. People have not been traveling as they used to. We all know the international ambience of conflict we have been living today. We the time or the resources to go to Germany and spend a long time to learn something and to get within their society well established to do business. We do and live this globalization mostly online. It's very fast. You can talk to someone in Europe right now. You can talk to someone in the US right now. You can find investment for your business. You can help a business person to do business somewhere else. You can give counsel. You can provide assistance. You can negotiate. And you can also study and understand what they do under many different jurisdictions by using the application of legal English as a very important asset for this. And also, when you travel, if you have international plans of immigration or of doing business internationally, it's mandatory. It's not even an option, in my opinion.
Okay. So we can definitely say that legal English opens doors, especially in the area.
I would say something like this. If you're happy with what your home country can offer, and you believe that you can exclusively depend on the ability of your home country of creating your future, the market is big enough, then you don't need legal English. But if you think about taking a chance internationally, going beyond, having this second asset to do business in the future, then it's the best route you can go through.
Interesting. That's really good.
Thank you.